NASDAQ with Bumble celebrating its IPO. At the big board, it's a Korean e-commerce giant Coupang, as David said, celebrating its IPO.
All those things reinforce one another on the way up, on the way down.
So a really remarkable slowdown in the markets.
The Fed has become aggressive in raising interest rates, one of the most aggressive rate hiking campaigns in generations.
My colleagues and I are strongly committed to bringing inflation back down to our 2% goal. We have both the tools we need and the resolve that it will take to restore price stability on behalf of American families and businesses.
Tech and life science are really still continuing to drive the volume. What we're seeing, though, is an increase in just the microcap IPOs. So microcap being, proceeds raised of less than 50 million. 80% of the IPOs so far to date have really been microcap IPOs.
While IPOs raised a record amount in 2021, so did the private markets, and tech unicorns especially are sitting on massive war chests, and that's allowed them to just wait out the storm in 2022.
In part, that's just because people lost interest and they didn't want to wait around for a deal to happen.
But if the stock market starts going back up again, then we'll see a rebound in IPO activity.
My guess is the initial wave of IPOs, if and when they come back, are going to be some combination of companies with growing cash flows already, with earnings. That might be things like energy.
The remainder of 22 could be a challenge, and I see companies really looking ahead to the first half of 23 in hopes that, we're going to have some stabilization around, volatility, market volatility, as well as valuations.
Welcome to our video on the top IPO stocks to watch out for in 2023. As an investor, it can be difficult to determine which IPOs are worth investing in. In this video, we will be discussing some of the most promising IPO stocks that are expected to hit the market in 2023. We will analyze their financials, growth prospects, and potential returns to help you make informed investment decisions. We want to highlight the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. IPOs can offer the potential for high returns. We will be discussing some of the most promising IPO stocks that are expected to launch in 2023. The first IPO stock on our list is Instacart. Instacart is a grocery delivery and pickup service that has seen a surge in demand due to the pandemic. The company has raised over $2 billion in funding and is valued at $39 billion. While the company is not yet profitable, it has seen significant revenue growth, with revenue reaching $1.5 billion in 2020, up from $435 million in 2019. Instacart has also been expanding its services, including offering same-day delivery for retailers such as Sephora and Best Buy. With the continued growth in online grocery shopping, there are compelling reasons to consider Instacart as a potentially successful IPO stock in 2023. Stripe. Another promising IPO stock is Stripe, an online payment processing company. Stripe has been valued at $95 billion, making it one of the most valuable private companies in the world. The company has seen significant revenue growth, with revenue reaching $2 billion in 2020, up from $1.1 billion in 2019. Stripe has also been expanding its services, including offering lending and tax reporting services. With the continued growth in e-commerce, Stripe could be a promising IPO to watch out for in 2023. Databricks is a data analytics company that offers a unified analytics platform for data scientists, engineers, and business users. The company has raised over $1 billion in funding and is valued at $38 billion. Databricks has seen significant revenue growth, with revenue reaching $425 million in 2020, up from $200 million in 2019. The company has also been expanding its services, including offering machine learning and artificial intelligence tools. With the continued growth in data analytics and expanding services suggest that it may be a worthwhile IPO stock to watch in 2023. UiPath. UiPath is a robotic process automation (RPA) company that offers a platform for automating business processes. The company has raised over $1 billion in funding and is valued at $35 billion. UiPath has seen significant revenue growth, with revenue reaching $608 million in 2020, up from $336 million in 2019. The company has also been expanding its services, including offering artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. With the increasing demand for automation in the business world, UiPath could be a promising IPO to watch out for in 2023. Robinhood. This is a financial services company that offers commission-free trading on stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. The company has seen significant growth in recent years, with over 22.5 million users as of 2021. Robinhood has also been expanding its services, including offering fractional shares in cryptocurrency trading. However, the company has faced controversy and scrutiny, including a class action lawsuit related to the GameStop trading frenzy. Despite this, Robinhood could be a promising IPO to watch out for in 2023. That's it for our video on the top IPO stocks to watch out for in 2023. We hope that this video has provided you with some valuable insights into these promising companies. Remember to do your own research and due diligence before investing in any IPO stocks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.